More than likely, you've been asked about fuel additives and how effective they actually are. The short answer is, it depends on what's in them. Over time, all engines lose performance and fuel economy. That's because even high-quality fuel creates carbon deposits during combustion. These deposits build up on engine parts, causing a variety of performance problems, including power and fuel economy loss, hard starts, and hesitation. To remove them, most top-selling brands use nitrogen-based detergents. The three most commonly used are PIB, PIBA, and PEA. Products using other compounds offer little to no actual cleaning ability. Polyisobutene, PIB, is typically found in gas treatments and needs to be used with every fill-up. In high enough doses, it can prevent new carbon deposits from forming, but it isn't powerful enough to remove existing deposits. Polyisobutylenamine, PIBA, on the other hand, can remove existing deposits on some engine parts, including fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports. But it's not hardy enough to survive in the combustion chamber. With temperatures as high as 495 degrees in the combustion chamber, detergents need to be particularly robust to clean direct injectors, piston tops, and cylinder heads. Only PEA remains stable enough in high heat to remove carbon deposits throughout the combustion chamber. Other detergents simply burn up. PEA also bonds to the surface of metal parts, preventing future buildup. Gumout Multi-System Tune-Up uses a scientifically formulated blend of advanced cleaning and conditioning agents, including PEA, to remove deposits across the entire fuel system. Cleaner fuel injectors mean fuel burns more efficiently, increasing engine response times and fuel economy, while cleaner valves and ports ensure proper fuel-to-air mix, helping to eliminate rough idle, hesitation, and surging. In the combustion chamber, cleaner parts help increase combustion efficiency and reduce hotspots that can lead to pre-ignition. But cleaning is only part of the story. Friction in the upper cylinder can also decrease fuel economy and performance. In fact, the piston rings in the upper cylinder are the largest source of friction in the entire engine. Multi-System Tune-Up lubricates the upper cylinder using a friction modifier, helping to restore fuel economy and horsepower, plus prevent excess wear. In addition, most modern gasoline contains ethanol, an acid which can attack metal surfaces. When it combines with water in the fuel system, water can become even more corrosive. The corrosion inhibitors in Multi-System Tune-Up work to neutralize the acid and remove the excess water from the system, helping to protect and extend the life of critical engine parts. For engines that are used less often, antioxidants help stabilize fuel and oil, preventing varnish from developing on key metal parts. So in short, when the right science goes into a fuel additive, improved performance does come out. Gumout. Science in, performance out.